These days it is vital to know how to wash your hands. And when you're cooking, first thing first, you don't need to have any rings on you or any watches. Second thing that you should know is you usually wash your hands until here. Not until here, but until here. The way you wash your hands is you apply a bit of water. You add a bit of soap. You start with your palms of your hands. Then back of your hand. Same with the other back of your hand. Then you twist it and you clean your thumbs and each of your finger. Then you also wash your wrists. At least this procedure should take around 30 seconds. Take a paper towel, you dry them, then you have a bit of hand disinfection. These days it is vital to know how to wash your hands properly and what procedures you should take before cooking any meal. I really hope that I didn't tell you anything new and you all already knew about it, and if you didn't, please try to wash your hands like this. It's very important these days. Stay home, practice social distancing, and only with the social distancing we can cure our planet. Thank you. Bye.